Hey guys, let's see today how to fix trust this computer alert is missing on your iPhone. So guys, if you are also getting similar kind of the alert trust this computer is missing on your iPhone, so let's see how to fix this issue. So guys, this is very simple issue, so don't worry, I will show in this video how to fix it. So generally this this alert is coming whenever you try to connect your iPhone to MacBook. Yeah. So in order to fix this trust this computer alert missing on your iPhone, so just go to settings and yeah, you can see over here, just from the settings just try to come to general, and from the general guy just try to come down, and you can see that transfer your reset iPhone. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now guys from here just try to hit on reset. And now guys, you can just go for reset location and privacy settings. Just go for that, and you can reset location and privacy. So go, and after that it will ask to pass the passcode, so just go and pass the passcode. So once you pass the passcode, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then this time guys you can just try to restart your MacBook as well as restart your iPhone guys, and after that you can go and check. So this time your issue will be resolved. So whatever you are getting the trust this computer alert missing, this issue will be resolved. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.